Sati Pila
Soti, my heart is beating for my love.
Stop making your own lyrics,
Mami kat bekas kadang mi kata ngarang ya piba.
Hello everyone.
Hello Khasi people, Meghalaya, Paralo. Welcome everyone. We are back again and welcome to be.
Thank you so much. So today we are going to react on the song JINGIEID SOTTI. JINGIEID means love. What is Soti?
Soti mean maybe. Soti. Tell us, what does it mean, Soti? This song is by RAMSUCHIANG, guys. Golden Star. RAMSUCHIANG, you know, one of the best, biggest legend of biggest singer in all over Meghalaya, guys. I'm so curious and I will always react to him. I know. Maham. Let's check it out. Don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's go. SUCHIANG. Singer RAMSUCHIANG. Singer by RAMSUCHIANG. You don't remember this guy?
I remember that one. One by and
Yeah, I think one.
Abdeng barok kini kijing
no, not one by girlfriend.
Matisi semua suka mensi Baik ala raga Daka Jing'i Kabashida Happy Jing'i Barok ngapla Kasih Syadang ngamut batin lo Kular Janai kelalong kompon Kelempoi berkat kumipin long Jingid sati Pila penong
My heart is beating for my love.
stop making your own lyrics.
Mami kat bekas kadang mi kata ngarang ya piba kumkal
She's just tying something. I told it was a dress. So nice.
ban pek on yo ban ktaru Allah na preng kiti ubon rong kerai kerteng jong kina jit janai hagap siti kalat lakun aha bring up ning tendu na preng kiti ubon rong kerai kerteng jong kina jit janai hagap bertei kalat lakun ya aha bring up ning tendu.
I think he's not being able to move on from that. Love with two girls. Jingied Sotti. Sotti means two.
Soti mean
Two.
Soti mean love, mad love, mad love. This is a mad love, guys. This is like a crazy love. You know, I just don't regret. I don't regret, guys, listening to RAMSUCHIANG. Just can you see the song, how the beat and the vibe of the song, so touching, right? The song is so touching, so lovely, more than a lovely, and so touching, guys. And in this music, guys, is a subtitle wasn't there, but it was so complicated. I think the guy was like what you said before. Maybe he was in love with two ladies before, right?
Two ladies.
I mean, he was still thinking of his ex.
Uh,
Yeah, you can be in love with two ladies, right? Maybe like you are now with a new girl. Let's say now I'm with a new girlfriend, but still the past is in you. Are you not still in love? This is a love, right? This is what I'm trying to say. Like this is what is happening to this girl. Like it's still complicated. He's dreaming of the other girl, thinking of hugging that girl, but yet that is just a dream. Maybe that was a story of this music video. Tell us, guys. We don't know. We are just guessing. Tell us the main, tell us the main story of this music video. I know it's a love song, and what was the main story this guy was expressing, and what is the meaning of Suti, Jingieiid Sotti, guys? So that is it. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Till next time.